hangyo ko ni Father Steve kung ako ba'y magwali. Isugot dahil ko. Nakaprepare mong kudaan. Pero problema ko.
Talagsaro naman.
Binisaya mo na yan eh. Pero sige na lang kay naman tayo mga sekretary. Ito, before anything else, I'd like to express this deep appreciation and deep gratitude to San Mario, Father Romeo, Monsignor Iran for having this occasion for us. In behalf of the clergy of Cagayan de Oro, kay kapangita ng mga venue for spiritual growth and renewal. And I think this is one of the many answers from God. Kay kapangita ito, a center for transformation and ongoing formation. And I think mauni ang tubag na di na tumitag kwarta o pagtupod ng buildings pagkakaroon kay mahal mong kain millions kaya. So, nindot kayo ng lugar for us. And we have to convince the Archbishop that this is a good place for all of us. So, and then, nindot kayo because the gospel talks about the cross. It is Jesus going to Jerusalem to willingly accept the cross. O ang ngalan sa mga pari is cross priest. Meaning sa cross priest, the meaning of the cross, na nabago na karon, it is a contrite, renewed, open-hearted, synodal servant. So muna na meaning sa cross priest. Ang uban, di pa memorize. Pero this is a very wonderful, because this is a transformative retreat. It really suits sa atong ngalan na the cross priest. Because a contrite, renewed, open-hearted, synodal servant. This is our way of life now. When we say contrite, it means that we need the grace of God. We know that we are sinners, and we are constantly renewed by our life, and we are always open to the Holy Spirit. And we are in a synodal church. We are a synodal servant also. So I think, nindot kaayo po. Pero ang mga punto po din sa Ebanghelyo, haong kaita sa kong pamalandong karon. The first invitation to reflect is that ang pagsunod ng Jesus nagpasabot sa paglakaw padulong sa krus. Dili ang pag-ikyas sa krus. Nindot kaayo ka, gipahinunuan kita, na we should not, as priests, we should always embrace the cross. In one of our recollections, I shared to you that the cross first is adoring. We adore the cross. We embrace the cross. But real priesthood is about becoming the cross itself. We should become the cross. Dili na to, yun, kinangan daligtan ng cross. Atong atubangan. Because when there is the cross, there is always Christ. And then, ikaduhang invitation na ang tinuod na mamahimong dako sa mata sa Ginoo, to be great is to become a servant, a synodal servant. Dito nga, naghangyo si Santiago o si Juan na unta mulingkod sa tuog sa wala, pero ingon si Jesus na ginanglan na magpaubos ka mo. If you want to become a real servant, pagpaubos ka mo. Sa kalibutan nato karon ang pagkadako makita sa gahom ug dungo apan kang Kristo ang labing dako mao ang labing pagmapaubsanon ug labing andam sa pagpangalaga. Sumuna na usahay matintal kita ng mga pari na mangita sa mga pagdaig, sa mga pag-ila, kalampusan sa ministeryo, na usahay mapokus na ta sa itong mga project para na tayo legacy. Dito na, mura na project-oriented na ka. We should always be Christ-oriented. Nga ang mapakita nato unta si Kristo dito ang atong mga project. Naroon ako enjoy ng project karon. Pero this is my personal one. Pero mo lagi na, we should not lose sight of who we are, our identity. Kung ibalik-balik mo na sa kuan. Dahil kadiyak manggit sa pagpamalagad mo kaugsanon atong matadamtam ang kahinayaan ng Ginoo ay makahatag nini. Dahil may katulong conviction mo ani ang cross mo ay nag-usab kanatong mga parit ngadto sa paghalad sa akong paglikod diha sa gugma. The cross, always the cross, can really change us, transform us, convert us into an offering to God. With the sacrifice, I remember Bishop Buzon, I was a newly ordained priest, when he said, much to suffer, much to offer, little to suffer, little to offer, and nothing to suffer, nothing to offer. It is in our suffering that we can really give the best of ourselves. Because as priest, dili di nato mabulag ang cross sa atong ministry o pinabuhi. And lain-lain man ang mga cross, but we have to bear the cross because we have Christ with us. So, we have to go to our own Jerusalem to take up our cross. Our Jerusalem now is our respective parishes. We go there, we take up our responsibility. But remember that going to Jerusalem and going to Calvary, there are people who help us. We have many Simon or Simon Cyrene. We have Veronica, who helps the blood and sweet in the face of Jesus. We have those mga babae na naghilak, compassionate towards the Lord. So, daghan ng mga tao matawag mga kanato on the way to Calvary. And we have our Mama Mary, always there. Up to, even after death, we still have Mama Mary with us. Nindot kayo the image of Pietang, na adya ko nagsapnay. The love of a mother, even after death of the son. Nindot kayo. So, I hope na we will be inspired with this goodness na atong nakagamtong karon with the help of Sir Mario and the whole group here. So we remember and will be inspired to really give the best of ourselves also for our people. That we will go to our respective parishes. We can really give the best of everything that we have been experiencing, the abundance of the goodness of the Lord in this place. That we will go tomorrow and the next day. We will always remember how good God is in our life with the people that surrounds us. So, with this in mind, we go back and we will not escape the process of our life, the responsibilities. But remember, God is with us. And there are so many people who are praying.